Hi, have you ever felt that your video is lacking? Based on the previous tutorials, we want to transfer the selected video to the timeline. We needed a picture in PNG format. You can download the photo from PNG3 site. You can search and choose any photo you want. Now import the photo and edit it to the timeline by dragging. In the Effect Control window, we adjust the position and the scale of the airport photo. This will determine the location and size of the photo. Now we remove the airplane from the left side. We will make a keyframe by clicking on this option. We move the keyframe to the last frame of the airplane photo and change its position and move it outside the frame to the right. Now we can see the result. If we want to increase the speed of the airplane, dragging, and by reducing the size of the airplane photo file, we can reduce the time and determine its location.